Hello everyone and welcome again on Pabbly. Guys, in this video, I'm going to show how you can send online test papers to your students automatically on their WhatsApps on a scheduled future date. So guys, if you want to take an online test of your students and you want to send the exam papers link on the WhatsApp account of your students, you can use this automation and it is surely going to help you a lot. Let me show you how. So guys, here you can see this is the flow of this automation. You just have to add the details of your students along with their WhatsApp numbers here in the spreadsheet, and then our automation is going to work on a scheduled date, and on that same date at the specific chosen time of yours, the WhatsApp messages will be delivered to all your students along with the test papers link. So guys, here you need not to manually sort out the contact details of your students, and you don't have to manually compile messages for each and every student. So this is going to make this task so much easier for you, and it will surely save your time and energy as well. And to make this happen, we are using Pabbly Connect application, which is an integration and automation tool. And the best part is anyone can set up this automation without any coding skills or programming knowledge. So guys, let's set up this automation together. So to start with this automation, you need to reach here on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect application, and to reach here you have to use this link, which is pabbly.com/connect, and we have pasted this same in the description as well. From here you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this sign up free button, and you will get 100 free automation tasks for every new month. So sign up right now and then log in. And when you log in, you will reach this page. From here, you have to click on this Access Now button of Pabbly Connect application. That will bring you to the dashboard. And here you have to create a workflow. For that, just click here on this Create Workflow button. And here you can give a relevant name to this workflow. So I am giving the name here as Send Test Papers. Test Papers on WhatsApp. Okay. So after filling the name like this, you just have to click on this create button, and you can see your workflow page is loading up here. And on this page, guys, you will see the trigger and the action. So guys, automations work on these two things. So the trigger is the happening of that event which is going to trigger this workflow. Trigger this workflow means start this workflow, and the action is the response towards the trigger. As in this use case, the trigger would be running of this workflow on a scheduled date chosen by you. So to get this workflow run on a scheduled date, you have to choose in this trigger section, you have to choose this scheduler feature of Pabbly Connect. Select scheduler, and that's how you can schedule the running of your workflows. And here it is asking how often you want to run your workflow. So guys, we want to take this exam or test of our students one time only. So I want to run this workflow once only. So you have to select it from these options. I'm selecting once, and here you can choose a date on which you want to take the exam. So I'm selecting 12th of June. All right, and here you have to put the time in UTC format, guys. Okay, UTC means universally coordinated time format, and I'm working in India, so guys, UTC lags behind IST, that is Indian Standard Time, by 5 hours and 30 minutes. So guys, let's say I want to take this test from my students on 9:30 a.m. in the morning. For that, you have to put the time here as 4. Okay, right? So you can use this UTC format here, converter, and you can convert your time zone into UTC with the help of this, or you can take the help of any online converter and put the time here like this. So after click on save, and you can see the workflow is scheduled to run once on this date and at this time. Right now, what we want this workflow to do at this date and time, we want that this workflow should run and reach this spreadsheet application, this spreadsheet Google Sheet, and send the exam papers to these students of mine on the WhatsApp numbers. All right, so these are the details of students I have collected. So my workflow is going to capture the data of this spreadsheet and start sending the exam papers to these WhatsApp numbers one by one. Okay, for that to happen, you have to use this action step and connect your spreadsheet application in this action step. So here search for Google Sheets, and in the action event select get rows option. So it will retrieve the rows from the sheet based on the specified range. Okay, then click on connect, and from this window select add new connection, then click on connect with Google Sheets, and from this window select the Google account by which you are accessing that sheet. Okay, then you have to provide some additional access to your spreadsheet to Pabbly Connect. Okay, so just click on continue and you will be connected to Google Sheets like this. Okay, so we are now connected, and here it is asking to select your spreadsheet from this list. So in this list it will show you the spreadsheets that you have created till now in your Google Sheets application, and from here you can select your spreadsheet. The name of my sheet is this one, you can see mathematics paper class 1, this is the name. So let me select it from here. Okay, here it is selected, and now you can see the sheet got selected here automatically because we have only one sheet here named as sheet 1, and it got selected here. Now it is asking for the range of data that you have in your spreadsheet. So guys, you have to fill the range of data that you have in this sheet. So to get the range, what you have to do here, you just have to start selecting the data that you have in your sheet from the second row. Just start selecting the data like this and select your whole data of your students. You can leave these headers of the columns, don't select these, just select the data of your students like this. Okay, when you are done, keep selecting the data. In this name box here you will find this code A2:D5. Okay, what does this mean? This is actually the range of data. A2:D5 means that we have the data in this spreadsheet starting from column A row 2nd to column D row 5th. Okay, this is what it means. So you can just copy this range from here and you can paste it here. Okay, A2:D5. Now what we are going to do, we are going to capture the data of our students from our spreadsheet to here in this workflow, and we are going to separate the data row by row form. Okay, so that we can send the messages to our students one by one. Okay, for that to happen, you just have to toggle this simple response button to off. So we are going to capture the data in array format. So when you toggle this simple response button to off, you will find the data captured here in a different format. Let me show you. Click on save and send test request, and here you can see in this response result label we got the data of my students here like this in this array of data format. Okay, so now we can arrange this data into row by row format with the help of another feature of Pabbly Connect, which is called iterator. So just click here on this plus icon, and from this another action step you have to use iterator. And what iterator will do, iterator will arrange this data, segregate this data in row by row form. Okay, let me show you. So here it is asking choose your array. So when you click here, it will show you the previous step in the drop down, and from here only you have to choose this response result array. Okay, then click on save and send test request, and you can see the data got segregated here, and it is showing the data of the first row only here. Okay, you can see Robin Singh, and this is the number, it got captured here in this format. So this is the function of iterator. Iterator will make this workflow run one by one for each and every row for each and every student and send the messages. Right, so we got the data captured, and let's send a WhatsApp message to this student. For that I am using another action step, and from here you have to search for WhatsApp's cloud API. Alright, so guys, to set up the cloud API setup for using WhatsApp, you can check the description, and we have pasted the link of the videos in which we have explained how you can set up your API for WhatsApp. Alright, inside the Meta for Developers page. Okay, so you can check those videos, and after setting up that API you can use it here. and in the action event select send template message option, then click on connect. And from here, if you're making the connection with the cloud API for the very first time, select add new connection option, and here it will ask for the permanent access token of your cloud API, the phone number ID, and the business account ID. So if you want to know more about the cloud API setup and how to connect it inside Pabbly Connect, you can just click here on this here word written in blue, and you will reach the forum page of Pabbly, forum.pabbly.com, and here you will find these videos first. And so the first video is to set up the cloud API inside Pabbly Connect. Second one is for generating the permanent access token. All right, and here you will find the steps along with the screenshots for making the connection of cloud API in the trigger, then in the action, and how you can use this feature of cloud API inside Pabbly Connect, and you will find all the things here. And for these three things, I can show you my cloud API setup, which is here. So guys, I am under Meta for Developers page, and here you can see I am under this My Connect message app that I have created, and under this I have set up my cloud API for WhatsApp. So I'm going to click on this WhatsApp's getting started page, and under the getting started page you will see the temporary access tokens first. But guys, temporary tokens expires in 24 hours, so you need to generate a permanent one to get your workflows running continuously. So you can check the videos from the forum link or from our description on how to generate a permanent token. All right, and after that you have to keep this token safe, because we are going to use the same token afterwards also to make the connections again inside Pabbly Connect. Okay, so copy that token and paste it here in the token field. After that, you will find this phone number ID here in this send and receive messages section. You can just copy this and paste it here, and similarly copy this WhatsApp business account ID and paste it here. Right, and after filling these three things, you have to click on save, and you will be connected with your cloud API setup. And guys, the connection that you are making by this process will be saved here. You can see it will show you the new connections name, and the connections are saved here inside your workflow. So once you made the connection by this process, next time if you want to make the connection again, you can use the existing connection that you have made previously. As I have already made a connection with my cloud API setup in a different workflow, now I can choose that existing connection. Let me show you. For that, you just have to click on this select existing connection option, and from this connections list you can see all the previous connections that you have created till now, and from here only you can select any one of the connections. I am using this one, permanent token connection. Okay, so you can rename the connections also like this. Okay, and now after selecting the connection, just click on save, and you will be connected again with the cloud API setup like this. All right, and here you can see it is asking for the templates name. So you have to select the message template from this list. First, let me tell you what message templates are. So here you can see in this send messages with the API section, we have this here word written in blue. So when you click here, you will reach this message templates page, and these are the message templates I have created. And guys, message templates are nothing but the predefined message structures that you can use to send messages to multiple people at once on WhatsApp. All right, so guys, here I have created a template for this purpose named as this online exam. Okay, and you can see the preview of this message template. So this is how the message is going to look like on the WhatsApp of our students who are going to receive the message from us. Hi Roger Binney, your examination link is here. It will open at 12 p.m. today itself. This is the link. Okay, so this is how you can create templates here to send messages. And to create a template, you just have to click here on this create message template button, and here you will find the categories in which you can create templates like the transactional, marketing, and OTPs. From here you can select any category. Let's say I'm selecting OTP, and now you can give a name to your template like this. Then you can select the language in which you want to send the message, After that, click on continue from here. And now you can see here on this page, you can add a header in the template, and in the header you can send a text, or you can send a media, and in media you can send an image, video, or a document. Here in the body box, you have to type the main message that you want to send. So you can just type the message here, a standard message for many people, for many reasons, for many purposes. You have to create such a message template here. And there are some things which we want to change with every new message. Okay, so you need to put some variable tags or body fields here inside the message template in proper places. So to put the tags here, you just can click here in this add variable field, and this is how a tag will be added in your message. Okay, so after that you can add a footer and the button also. So complete your template, and after that from this top right corner, click on submit and submit it. After submitting the template, Facebook is going to review it and approve it in just a few minutes, and after that you can use it here inside your workflow. So from this list, I'm going to select online exam template, and you can see the code and the ID is filled up here, and here it is asking for the recipient's phone number or the WhatsApp number. So guys, here you need to map this data that you have received from your spreadsheet of your students, and you have segregated it with the help of iterator or iterator. So here we got the phone number or WhatsApp number label. So I'm going to map it here. Okay, like this you can map it. When you click here, it will show the previous steps in the drop down, and from here only by clicking on this iterator step you will find the data, and from here by clicking on it you can map it, and you have to put the numbers in this format. You can read the instructions. And guys, when you map the number here, what will happen in real time when this workflow is going to execute, it is going to run row by row, guys. So the number label is going to change with every new row, and a new message will be delivered to the new student according to the number. Okay, that's why it is necessary to map the label here. And now it is asking for the body fields 1, 2, and 3. So as I have told you that you need to have some variables placed inside your message template, and you can see in my message template I have this 1 tag, 2nd tag, and the 3 tags in proper places in this message body. So these are the body fields, and to change the values of these body fields with every new message, you need to map the values of these fields here inside your workflow. So in the first body field, what I want to map the name of the person. Okay, name of the student. Your examination link will open at, here I want to place the timing of the examination. Here I want to place the examination link or the test papers link. Okay, so let's put these things here. Here I want to put the name of my student. So from iterator only I am going to map the name like this. Second body field, let's say I want to conduct this exam on 12 o'clock in the noon. So you can put the time here manually as 12 p.m. Okay, right. Here in the third body field I am going to attach the exam papers link, and guys, this is the exam paper you can see I have created. This is the exam paper I have created for class first. Okay, timing is 12:30. Okay, timing is 12:30. So let me put here 12:30. So guys, timing is going to be the same for every student. So the thing that I'm putting here manually is not going to change. So you can put the time here manually because that is not going to change. And here I'm just going to copy the link of the paper which I have created from here. And I have created this paper with the help of Pabbly Form Builder application. You can use any other application as well, right? So here I am putting the exam papers link manually also, because that is also not going to change. The exam paper will be the same for every student, right? Now guys, after filling in the details, you can check your connection with WhatsApp by clicking on save and send test request, and a test message will be delivered to this WhatsApp number. Let me show you. I am clicking on save and send test request, and this is the response I have received. And actually I have the access to this WhatsApp account, so I can show you the message also. So guys, this is the message we have received. You can see a new message is here, and the message is this: hi Mr. Robin Singh, your examination link is here. It will open at 12:30 p.m. today itself. The exam forms link is here. Okay, and when the student is going to open the link, he will reach the exam paper page like this. Okay, and it will open at this time. Okay, so this is how it is going to work, guys, and we are done setting up this automation. And you have to set up this automation only once. After that, as and when on any scheduled date and time as you have selected here in the scheduler, this workflow is going to run automatically, and the WhatsApp message will be delivered to your students automatically. Okay, and guys, the best part is you can use this same workflow that I have created, because I'm going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description, so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.